Welcome to this complete Brussels, Belgium guide. In this video, we'll be taking you on a virtual tour of the 10 must-visit places in this vibrant city. From the grandeur of the Grand Place to the charm of the Manneken Pis, we'll cover it all. We'll also delve into the history and culture of Brussels, exploring its iconic landmarks and hidden gems. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or a foodie, there's something in Brussels for you. So, buckle up as we start our journey through Brussels' historical streets and iconic landmarks. Our first stop is the Grand Place, known for its architectural splendor and vibrant history. Imagine a place where Baroque, Gothic, and Louis XIV styles blend seamlessly, creating a visual feast of stone and gold. That's the Grand Place for you, the heart of Brussels. This square, a UNESCO World Heritage site, has been a center of political, economic, and cultural life for centuries. It started as a humble marketplace in the 10th century and evolved into a symbol of the city's power and prosperity. The ornate guildhouses, the towering town hall, and the opulent king's house are a testament to the craftsmanship and artistry of the times. Every 2 years, the square transforms into a massive carpet of begonias, a sight that leaves onlookers spellbound. And if you're lucky, you might even catch the Omegang, a historical pageant that transports you back to the 16th century. When in Brussels, Grand Place is a sight you simply cannot miss. Next up, we have the Atomium, a unique and futuristic structure. Born out of the brainchild of engineer André Waterkeen for the 1958 Brussels World's Fair, the Atomium stands tall as a symbol of the atomic age and the peaceful use of nuclear energy. Its design, inspired by an iron crystal magnified 165 billion times, is a sight to behold. The Atomium is more than just a dazzling structure. It's a walk-through museum, offering a journey through time. Each of its 9 spheres hold exhibitions, providing an insight into the optimism of the post-war era and the vision of the future during the mid-20th century. And let's not forget the restaurant in the topmost sphere, boasting panoramic views of Brussels. What better way to enjoy Belgian cuisine than while gazing at the city's skyline? This architectural marvel isn't just a symbol of science, it's a testament to Brussels' innovation and creativity. The Atomium stands as a shining beacon illuminating the city's past, present, and future. Now let's head over to the cheeky Manneken Pis. This bronze statue of a little boy taking a leak is one of Brussels' most celebrated landmarks. Erected in the early 17th century, the Manneken Pis, or Little Pissing Man, has become a symbol of the city's rebellious spirit. Legend has it that the statue commemorates a toddler who once saved Brussels by urinating on a burning fuse, thus preventing a devastating explosion. Whether the tale is true or not, the Manneken Pis has a wardrobe of over 900 costumes, which are changed according to a schedule posted outside the city's museum. From Santa Claus to Elvis Presley, the Manneken Pis has dressed as them all. The changing of his garb has become a celebrated event, drawing crowds from all over the world. This little fella, with his cheeky charm and wardrobe to rival a Hollywood star, might just be the most photographed statue in the world. Our next destination is the majestic Royal Palace of Brussels. Imposing and elegant, the Royal Palace of Brussels stands as a testament to Belgium's rich history and architectural prowess. The palace's origins can be traced back to the 18th century, but its current neoclassical facade wasn't completed until the late 19th century. The palace is more than just a pretty face, though. It's a symbol of the Belgian monarchy's constitutional role and serves as the king's official residence. Although the king and his family don't live here, they reside in the Royal Palace of Laeken. The Royal Palace of Brussels is where the king exercises his authority as head of state. The palace opens its doors to the public every summer, offering a glimpse into its opulent halls adorned with crystal chandeliers, grand tapestries, and exquisite artwork. And did you know, the palace's facade is longer than Buckingham Palace's? Not too shabby, eh? The Royal Palace truly encapsulates the grandeur of Brussels. Let's take a breather and enjoy the tranquility of Parc du Cinquantenaire. Established in the late 19th century, this sprawling park carries historical significance, having witnessed countless festivals, exhibitions, and jubilees. Today, it offers a serene escape filled with lush greenery, beautiful fountains, and ornate arches. Here, you can indulge in a leisurely stroll, enjoy a picnic, or visit the 3 museums nestled within its boundaries. A visit to Parc du Cinquantenaire is the perfect way to unwind in Brussels. For art enthusiasts, the Magritte Museum is a must-visit. Nestled in the heart of Brussels, this museum is home to the world's largest collection of works by the renowned surrealist artist René Magritte. His thought-provoking artistry will captivate your senses and stimulate your mind, making this an unforgettable experience. The museum's history is as fascinating as the art it holds. Established in 2009, it occupies the neoclassical Altenlo Hotel on the Place Royale. The building itself is a spectacle embodying the grandeur of Brussels' architectural prowess. When you saunter through the museum, you'll be immersed in over 200 works of Magritte, spanning his entire artistic journey. From his early impressionist pieces to his iconic surrealist paintings, the museum is a labyrinth of creativity and wonder. Expect to be awed by Magritte's unique perspective on reality, his use of ordinary objects in extraordinary ways, and his ability to challenge your perception. The Magritte Museum is a testament to Brussels' rich cultural and artistic heritage. Next, we're off to the stunning St. Michael and St. Gudula Cathedral. This awe-inspiring cathedral is a testament to the architectural prowess of the Gothic era, standing tall in the heart of Brussels for nearly 1,000 years. Its grandeur is a reflection of the city's rich and vibrant history. The cathedral is dedicated to the patron saints of Brussels, St. Michael and St. Gudula. Its construction began in the 11th century and it took about 300 years to complete. Imagine the patience, the dedication, the sheer resolve it must have taken to see this project through. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of perseverance and faith. The cathedral's architecture is a marvel in itself. The stunning stained glass windows, the intricate stone carvings, the grand arches, all tell a tale of a time long past, yet living on in every corner of this majestic cathedral. The cathedral is a shining example of Brussels' architectural prowess. It's not just a place of worship, but a monument that stands as a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Now let's dive into the world of comics at the Belgian Comic Strip Centre. Nestled in a stunning Art Nouveau building designed by Victor Horta, this centre is a treasure trove of Belgian comic art history. It's here where you'll encounter the creations of comic strip legends like Herge, Peyo and Franquin, whose works have left an indelible mark on the world of comics. From the early days of comic strips to the recent graphic novels, the Belgian Comic Strip Centre covers it all, offering a comprehensive journey through the evolution of this art form. Visitors can expect to see original manuscript pages, a reproduction of a comic book store from the 1940s, and even a life-sized rocket from Tintin's Moon Adventure. A trip to this centre is not just about viewing exhibits, it's about immersing yourself in the magical world of comics. So whether you're a comic enthusiast or just a curious wanderer, the Belgian Comic Strip Centre is sure to bring out the child in you. Let's take a whirlwind tour of Europe at Mini Europe. Welcome to the smallest continent within a continent. Mini Europe, nestled at the foot of the Atomium in Brussels, is a park that offers you a chance to traverse the European Union in miniature. Here, over 350 models of landmarks from almost 100 European cities are displayed in meticulous detail. Imagine strolling around the Eiffel Tower, standing in the shadow of Big Ben, and marveling at the Berlin Wall, all in an afternoon. Each model is built to scale, 1:25 to be exact, and accurately represents the original's architectural style. And it's not just about sightseeing. Mini Europe is a symphony of sounds and actions. A volcanic eruption in Vesuvius, the fall of the Berlin Wall, the bullfight in Seville, or even the Thalys train whizzing past. All of these bring the mini-continent to life. Mini Europe offers a fun and educational experience for visitors of all ages. Finally, we end our journey at the picturesque Mont des Arts. A vibrant testament to Brussels' cultural heritage, this hill of the arts has a rich history dating back to the Middle Ages. Today it houses a constellation of prestigious museums, making it a haven for art enthusiasts. Its lush garden and panoramic views of the city are a feast for the senses. With its magnificent views, Mont des Arts is the perfect spot to wrap up your Brussels adventure. And there we have it, a complete guide to Brussels' top 10 must-visit spots. From the grandeur of the Grand Place, the modern marvel of Atomium, to the enchanting Mont des Arts, we've traversed the city's iconic landmarks, each location a unique tale of history, art and culture waiting to be discovered. So pack your bags and embark on your own Brussels adventure. The city is ready to welcome you with open arms. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Brussels. We hope to see you here soon.